what do you think? It's super easy. I can't make a long tutorial about it, but these are very simple to make, but I really like these for simple photo mat or something. I really like these, so let's make them. So what I did is I just used a 4x4. So this one is a 4x4. You can use any size you want, but I think a 4x4 is nice. You always can cut your picture that's fitting in here. I really like that. Maybe you have a picture with a lot of trees or something on one side and just cut off the trees. And yeah, so maybe that's a good idea. But how to measure... Oh, no, this one is actually already perfect. But what I like about these Polaroid photo mats is that this edge needs to be a little larger. So if I have a 4-inch, then you can just put this on your, if you have, scoreboard, and then just see a little bit on the right side. You're gonna leave something, and then on this side. And I think a 4/3/8 is the perfect size. I don't know if this one is. I think it is. Yeah, it is. It is already a 4/3/4. It is 4/3/8. A 4/3/8. I really like that. So now without, I think it's already the perfect size. But so if I'm cutting this first, a 4/3/8, then I'm just gonna put this on. And you can cut yours already in the perfect size, but why? Oh yeah, of course, not everybody has this tool. Alright, sorry. But for me, it's very easy, because now I want this to be 1 inch longer than the bottom of my picture. And I just can take this little eye line, I eyeball this for the 1 inch, and I'm just gonna cut it up. Okay, but of course not everybody has this tool, I know. But I really think that this is a nice size. I'm gonna do one more and then we just, because how much is this? This is a 5/1/8. We wanna, that I want this down, a 5/1/8 by a, what did I tell you, was a 4/3/8. That's, in my opinion, a nice size. If you do a 4x4 photo, in my opinion, that is. This is, in my opinion, for a 4x4 photo, then the mat, is that called the mat? I don't know. Well, the design paper is 5/1/8 by 4/3/8. If you want to have exactly the same size as this one. So yeah, I really like how this turns out. So if you want to do this, then just cut your paper 4x4, and you can even make a smaller one, a 3x3. But how many people have a picture that is 3x3? But for those who have. Alright, so for the design paper, I'm just gonna check my big pile, what I have. I think, oh, here's already, this one does not fit. Let's do this one. I think it will fit. Alright, yeah, that's my big pile, which I first gonna use before I'm gonna cut all the rest. So what I told you is a 4/3/8. I think that's a very nice size to make that 4x4, and then a 5/1/8. 4x4. Put some glue on. Even. I really like this. Yeah, finishing touch, smooch the edges. cute or what? I really like this. And the back, oh, the back. You don't have to put something on, but you can. You still can put this on, then it's even more perfect. Oh, okay, let's do that. But it's bulky, but you don't want that even if you, but some people want a nice back. Okay, then just put this on another piece of cardstock. And just cut it off. Go. Problem solved. Alright, so, yep. Very nice. Very nice. I really like it. Alright, so the smaller size, if you want to make a small one, let's just grab my pile. I'm just gonna, I really like how I always like to do these. So I already can tell which one will fit. This one will definitely fit. So that's a beautiful, put everything away. So with this one, is this a 3 by 3? Then I bet a 338. Oh, well, it's just a little bit smaller than a 338, but you can cut this a 338. See, it does not matter. Well, if it's a little smaller, well, actually I do. No, I need to make it right and not halfway. I think this one will do. Alright, so let's just grab another piece. So a 338, yep, that's this one. Can even cut it a little bit smaller, but it's just slightly. But let's just use the scissors. Alright, 338, and then for the longer side, so we cut the other one with 518, bit of 4x4. So I assume that now you can just cut this a 418. Alright, let's check that out. See? Perfect! Bah, it's so easy. I'm gonna write down the measurement if you want. But yeah, you can just make as many as you want. You can make as many as you want. So what's the edges? There we go. So if you do a 3 by 3 photo, then it would be a 418 by a 338. Yeah, it's that simple. But you can see it. Just use your leftover pieces and just create something. I really like these. So this one I don't have to put something on the back. It's beautiful already. So, but yeah, what do you think? Very cute. Very cute. I really like these. I don't have to put all these three in one pocket, but yeah, cool. I like it. I even was thinking if not necessary, but if I do have some stamps with place photo here, but do I have some white? Well, I think with the oxide stamps, maybe you can do that also. But you also can use, if you have, just want to have a leftover piece, just to check it out. If you have a white gel pen or so, or whatever, then you also can place photo here. Yay! Cool. See, you just can, or write something down like picture. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Or hugs. And kisses. Something like that. It's just for an example. But it really looks, oh, amazing. I like these. Alright, so little Polaroids. Photo mats. Very easy to make. Can't make it any simpler than that, actually. I like it. So yeah, make them. It looks beautiful. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.